Hi, this is Shishmita Bose. If you are new to my channel, then let me introduce myself. I am a Reiki Grandmaster. I am a Arhatic yogi, and I also do tarot reading and other esoteric healings. Now, this month, that is the month of November 2020, is a big explosive month. Now, before I go into the reading, I will be asking you for three favors. That is, please do subscribe to my channel, give it a big like if you like the reading, and please do share with your friends and families. Now, this year has been very intense. As we see the Ace of Cups, which is upturned, it talks about deceit and deceive, corruption. This is, I'm talking about globally. So, this year has been very intense. A huge curveball with the pandemic and the finance going downtrend. But this month will see some major shifts in the energy as the card suggests. So we have to adjust with a lot of things. We have to adjust with our attitude, because I see there lots of major business houses shutting down and major job loss. So we have to take stock of our individual needs. We have to be very adjusting in our attitude, and because there will be major hostility and anger flying all over. So this is karma taking or visiting us for the last time, and it will be at its peak. So this is a major catharsis. So what we can do is we can be very accepting, that is in our attitude, and that is the only thing that will keep us going. And the more we learn to accept our karma, the easier it will be. Now, mid-month, there will be some unexpected news, some violent disruptive energy. There could be cyber thefts, digital and technology theft. So please be careful. This is karma doing its last round, but then we will see healing coming out of this most in this month. So please work on your mental, emotional and spiritual bodies. Use mantras, affirmations to make major transformations in your life. It will be a great relief. Breakthrough of ideas and thoughts by the end of the month, so we can very well wait for some vaccines to be introduced, which is because it is talking about new discoveries regarding healing and health. So I can only think of a vaccine which would be a miraculous healing for this pandemic. Now, there are major transformation which will be within the 5 months from November in regards to economy, change, jobs. Many positive things will start happening mid-month. Money, economy and the stock market will also make a very positive shift, and globally there will be talks of peace, and because the last card, which is the Three of Cups, it is showing celebration, but in between we have some cards, Page of Wands, which is news, and the news will be that we should be waiting for a lot of secrets that will be revealed, because we have been deceived and there has been corruption globally. So all the truth will be revealed and it will come out. This is a time where people will be affected everywhere, and so do let your emotions be in control of yourself. Don't let it affect your personal life. So take control over your emotions, your thought process and your life, because we are the only ones who can heal our lives by doing affirmations, by chanting, by meditations, and we can bring peace into our life. I will be giving some links in the description box below for meditation, chants and affirmations, and you can have a look, and if you like them you can do them, but take it easy and take it very positively, and do practice a lot of acceptance. That will really help. So I bid you goodbye. Take it easy. Bye, with lots of love and light. This is Shushmita Bose signing out. Thank you.